How to turn off camera access on iPhone lock screen. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Here, you can get insights about your screen time and set limits as needed. Adults can also set parental controls for a child's device. Now, scroll down to the Restrictions section and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Here, you can manage content, apps, and settings. Go to Allowed Apps and Features. Over here, turn off the app you want to hide. For example, Camera. Turning off an app or feature will remove it from the home screen, but will not delete it. The home app will no longer be displayed on your lock screen. Following these steps, you can easily turn off camera access on iPhone lock screen. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.